guys, AFNS right here, and welcome back to another reaction video. Yeah, I sound a bit tired because of work and stuff, but I'm very tired. So, anyways, guys, welcome back to another reaction video. This time reacting to Ice9Kills has made a song based off of PUBG called Hunting Season, and honestly, I'm not a really big fan of PUBG or Fortnite or any of those type of games, but they're Ice9Kills, so I would check out this song. And PUBG released the another version of the song, which I'll be reacting to as well in the same video as this. So yeah, Ice9Kills is still a great band, and we shall get into it. I'm just really tired because of work and stuff, so but yeah, so we're here to check this out right now. So anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe and check out Ice9Kills and the songs, and we shall react to this thing right now. Hunting Season, Ice9Kills. I like how the letter A is just graffiti.
They've come for us, they've come from the darkness to burn it all and bury what's left. Who can we trust when we're always
Spencer has a good voice.
I cannot be broken, I cannot be wronged. Hunting season is open, so we're marching on. Against the wall, against the odds, lone survivor. I cannot be broken, I cannot be wronged.
Nice color. Left alive.
Lone survivor, I cannot be broken, I cannot be
Ooh. And that's it. Just ended like da 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 da. Okay, now I'm gonna pull up the PUBG version and see for myself. Where is it? There it is. All right. So this is the PUBG version, music video version of the song, and it's a couple seconds longer. 319 was Ice9Kills, and then this one's like 322. So. But alrighty, we shall like and subscribe. Do as well. We'll check this one out right now. So shall we? So let's check it out right now. PUBG version. Universe, I mean, whatever. Said version.
They've come for us, they've come from the darkness.
So this
All and bury what's left. Who can we trust when we're always the
so this one has actual lyrics to it though.
I cannot be broken, I cannot be wronged. Hunting season is open, so we're marching
Open season.
against the wall, against the odds. Lone survivor. I cannot be broken, I cannot be wronged. Set our sights and shadowy figures. We make it right and never recoil. Can't pull it off till we're pulling our triggers. I cannot be broken, I cannot be wronged. Hunting season is open, so we're marching on. Against the wall, against the odds, a lone survivor. I cannot be broken, I cannot be wronged. I cannot be wronged.
Man.
They've come for us, they've come from the darkness to burn it all and bury what's
What's left?
Shows them down, 'cause now they're the target. I got the sling it, so I'll keep digging.
Da 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 da.
Broken, I cannot be wronged. Hunting season is open, so we're marching on. Against the wall, against the odds, a lone survivor. I cannot be broken, I cannot be wronged. I cannot be
Da 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 da. That's it. And that was Hunting Season by Ice Nine Kills, the one and only song for PUBG. I did not really expect them to make a song based off of PUBG. But like I said, I'm not a big fan of the game or Fortnite or that types of stuff. But yeah, at least the song was pretty good. I do enjoy Ice Nine Kills. Ice Nine Kills is still my favorite band of all time, and I cannot see what beholds for the future for them and other songs. So, but yeah, that was Hunting Season by Ice Nine Kills. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out the songs, both versions, the lyric video and the first one I reacted to. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Alrighty guys, goodbye.